Did you know 1 in 3 Americans have never budgeted before? That's insane. 33% of the country has no idea where their money's going. What's the deal? I guess the first time I ever budgeted was when I was around 5 because I really wanted this remote control car. My parents, they worked hard, they had good jobs, but, it was not in the budget. I saved every penny, every dollar, every dime, every quarter for like a year and a half, 2 years, and I had the money. I bought it big time. Don't save all your money just to spend it on one thing, but that's just when you're 5. When I got to the NFL, my rookie year was the first time I actually had substantial money because when I was drafted, it was the lockout. And the lockout didn't allow for an off season, didn't allow for any of the normal time that you would have to spend money to see it. Thank goodness I was paranoid about how to budget my money because I've heard too many horror stories. That's all you hear going into the NFL. Man, 78% of the league goes broke. Save your money. Don't buy chains and jewelry. And, these are things guys really do. Long story short, I make the team that year. Once you make the 53, now I got checks coming in every week. This is the first time I've ever budgeted ever, so now I have to account for the rent check, I have to account for cable, power, water, trash. So I continued to learn as I went, but I felt really good about how I was budgeting my money, how I was paying my bills, the regimen that I was on, and that it could sustain me for the whole year. And that's what you have to do. You have to keep the long vision in play. You have to keep that in mind at all times in order for your budget and your vision to work. Listen up, listen up, listen up. This is how you budget.
Step 1, start by figuring out your monthly income. Take a look at all your paychecks. You gotta know exactly how much money is coming in each month. Only then can you figure out how much money you have to spend, Rook. All right, step 2, let's recap what Richard just said. Look at 1 month of expenses. That includes rent, car payments, clothing, entertainment, taxes, the $2,000 grill you just got because you thought that'd be swag. Look at everything. Define your bad habits. Come on, you don't need to be drinking these $10 Venti Libra macho chocolate coffee things you're getting all the time. Just these Kaboka drinks. Can't you just make that yourself? Step 3. Think of this as a bill you're required to pay yourself every month. No cheating allowed. You'll build a small fund for emergencies first. Then you can start working towards your next goal, like a car, house, or that taco stand you've always dreamed of opening. Remember, always pay yourself first. God bless you.
So, you want to get your money right? You see, it isn't that hard. Go on and do it then, boy. You're adulting now. Adult.